Best espresso machines. Are you looking for the best espresso machines? In this video we will look at 5 of the best espresso machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Barista Express Impress Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Express Impress Espresso Machine, BS876BSS, is a premium coffee maker designed to bring the cafe experience into your home. Crafted from durable brushed stainless steel, this machine combines sleek aesthetics with advanced functionality to cater to coffee enthusiasts of all levels. One of its standout features is the Impress Puck system, which simplifies the espresso making process. It ensures consistent dosing, precise tamping, and mess-free operation, resulting in a balanced and professional quality shot every time. The integrated conical burr grinder allows users to grind fresh coffee beans directly into the portafilter, offering adjustable grind size and dose control for tailored flavor profiles. The machine includes a thermocoil heating system that delivers precise water temperature for optimal extraction, while the 15-bar Italian pump ensures robust and flavorful espresso. Its manual steam wand allows users to texture milk for creamy lattes or frothy cappuccinos, giving full control over microfoam consistency. User-friendly features like the hands-free grinding cradle, clear pressure gauge, and intuitive interface make it easy to craft a variety of coffee beverages. The compact design is ideal for kitchens with limited counter space, and the included accessories, such as a stainless steel milk jug and cleaning tools, enhance its usability. In summary, the Breville Barista Express Impress is a versatile and stylish espresso machine that delivers professional results at home. With its integrated grinder, precise temperature control, and innovative Impress Puck system, it offers both convenience and customization, making it a top choice for coffee lovers seeking high-quality, cafe-style drinks without leaving their kitchen. Number 2. Capresso Café TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine. The Capresso Café TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine offers a sleek, modern design and intuitive operation for brewing barista-quality coffee at home. With a 50-ounce water reservoir, this compact machine ensures a seamless experience, catering to coffee enthusiasts who value convenience and performance. The centerpiece of the machine is its touchscreen interface, which allows users to select brewing options effortlessly. It provides a one-touch operation for brewing espresso, steaming milk, or dispensing hot water, making it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced baristas. The machine also features programmable settings, allowing users to customize cup sizes and brewing preferences for a tailored coffee experience. Equipped with a 15-bar pump system, the Café TS ensures optimal pressure for rich, full-bodied espresso extraction. Its thermoblock heating system quickly heats water to the ideal temperature, reducing wait times and ensuring consistent results. The steam wand enables users to create creamy microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos, while its adjustable design accommodates a variety of cup sizes. The machine's durable stainless steel housing not only adds a polished aesthetic but also enhances longevity. The removable water tank and drip tray make cleaning and maintenance easy, while the compact footprint ensures it fits neatly into any kitchen space. In summary, the Capresso Café TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine combines advanced features with a user-friendly design to deliver high-quality espresso and milk-based beverages. Its touchscreen interface, powerful 15-bar pump, and versatile steam wand offer both convenience and customization, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enjoy cafe-style drinks at home. The machine's compact size, ease of use, and polished appearance make it a standout option for coffee lovers. Number 3. DeLonghi Magnifica Start Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi Magnifica Start Espresso and Coffee Machine, ECOM 22080SB, is a versatile, all-in-one coffee maker that delivers high-quality espresso and milk-based beverages with ease. Its sleek silver design and compact footprint make it a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. This machine features a built-in grinder with adjustable settings, allowing users to grind fresh coffee beans to their preferred coarseness for optimal flavor extraction. Its one-touch latte and cappuccino functionality simplifies the brewing process, enabling users to create cafe-style drinks with a single press. The automatic milk frother produces creamy, perfectly textured foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and more, ensuring professional quality beverages at home. Equipped with a 15-bar pump pressure system, the Magnifica Start delivers rich, aromatic espresso shots, while the advanced thermoblock heating system ensures precise water temperature for consistent brewing. The machine's intuitive control panel allows for easy customization of beverage size and strength, catering to individual preferences. The removable water reservoir and drip tray enhance convenience, making refills and cleaning straightforward. Additionally, its energy-saving features and descaling alerts promote efficient and low-maintenance operation. The robust construction ensures durability, while the polished silver finish adds a touch of elegance. In summary, the DeLonghi Magnifica Start is an excellent choice for coffee lovers seeking convenience, customization, and high performance. With its built-in grinder, automatic milk frother, and one-touch functionality, it simplifies the process of crafting a wide range of beverages. Its user-friendly design, powerful brewing capabilities, and stylish appearance make it a standout option for creating barista-quality coffee and espresso drinks at home. Number 4. Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine, BES878BTR, in black truffle is a premium, feature-packed appliance designed to deliver professional quality coffee and espresso drinks at home. Its sleek and modern design, combined with advanced technology, makes it a standout choice for coffee enthusiasts. At the heart of the Barista Pro is the thermojet heating system, which heats up in just 3 seconds, ensuring minimal wait time for brewing. The integrated conical burr grinder offers 30 grind settings, allowing users to grind fresh coffee beans directly into the portafilter for optimal flavor extraction. The machine's dose control delivers precise amounts of coffee, ensuring consistently rich and balanced espresso shots. The LCD interface simplifies the brewing process by displaying grind size, shot time, and other essential settings, making it user-friendly for beginners and experienced baristas alike. The powerful 15-bar Italian pump guarantees flavorful and aromatic espresso, while the steam wand produces silky microfoam for lattes, cappuccinos, and other milk-based drinks. With a compact design, the Barista Pro fits neatly into most kitchen spaces, and its removable water reservoir and drip tray make cleaning and maintenance easy. The included accessories, such as the stainless steel milk jug and cleaning tools, enhance convenience and functionality. In summary, the Breville Barista Pro combines speed, precision, and customization to create a seamless coffee-making experience. Its fast heat-up time, built-in grinder, and user-friendly interface make it ideal for those who value both convenience and high performance. The stylish black truffle finish adds a touch of elegance, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen for crafting cafe-quality drinks at home. Number 5. Breville Bambino Plus. The Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine, BS500BSS, in brushed stainless steel is a compact and efficient espresso maker designed to deliver high-quality coffee with minimal effort. Ideal for small kitchens or coffee enthusiasts seeking simplicity, this machine offers professional-level performance in a streamlined design. Equipped with a thermojet heating system, the Bambino Plus heats up in just 3 seconds, allowing users to enjoy espresso without long wait times. The 15-bar Italian pump ensures optimal pressure for rich, aromatic espresso extraction, while the pre-infusion feature evenly wets coffee grounds for balanced flavor. The machine's standout feature is its automatic milk frother, which produces silky, cafe-quality microfoam perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, and other milk-based drinks. Users can customize the milk temperature and texture to suit their preferences, making it versatile for a variety of beverages. Despite its compact size, the Bambino Plus offers thoughtful features like a removable 64-ounce water reservoir and drip tray for easy cleaning and maintenance. Its stainless steel portafilter ensures durability, while the included accessories like the tamper, milk jug, and cleaning tools enhance the user experience. The intuitive controls make it beginner-friendly, with straightforward buttons for brewing espresso, steaming milk, and controlling water temperature. Additionally, its sleek brushed stainless steel design complements any kitchen aesthetic. In summary, the Breville Bambino Plus is a perfect choice for those seeking a simple yet high-performance espresso machine. Its quick heat-up time, customizable milk frother, and compact footprint make it an excellent option for creating barista-quality drinks at home. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coffee lover, the Bambino Plus delivers convenience, quality, and style in a compact package.